Hello, little ones. We will make snowball cookies today. They taste yummy with a cup of hot chocolate. The very first thing we do is wash our hands. We will need a cup full of finely chopped pecan. Please ask an adult to help you in this job, either using a food processor or chopping by hand. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, put 1 stick of very soft unsalted butter. Add 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of confectioner sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla, mix well with a whisk. We will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a little at a time, and mix after each addition. After adding all of the flour, add the chopped pecan, you will need to use a spatula to scrape the bowl and mix properly. Place parchment paper on the baking pan. Take a small handful of dough and make a ball in your palm. Place the balls on the baking sheet. Ask an adult to help you place the pan in the oven. And set a timer for 10 minutes. Ask an adult to help you take the pan out and set it aside for 5 minutes for the cookies to cool down a bit. Pour some confectioner sugar into a bowl . And roll the cookies one at a time in the sugar while they are still a bit warm. Serve with hot chocolate. Share and enjoy.